So good afternoon. My name is Michael from OwnerChip, and I believe the struggling artists are disappearing because nowadays for creatives, for artists, it's easy to build up a brand, a reputation using online marketing, using international online marketplaces. But what is the number one threat of brand reputation when you do online sales? And it's fakes. This led to various numbers of authentication mechanisms, especially in the fashion industry. But what about art? Today it's still the face of the artist who are in the gallery physically there to build trust for his customers. But they want to be in their atelier doing their creative work. They want to sell and scale internationally, and they do not want to spend a lot of effort in humans, in experts, in galleries, with money and time to create this kind of trust. So OwnerChip does it a bit smarter. So we allow the creators and creatives to build trust and relationships in international sales, because we are offering a product-based authentication solution for any sales channel. And this reduces costs and new revenue streams. And by providing this, and the user journey is quite simple. It's chip it, twin it, sell it. So creatives use chips, are shipping their items. They're using smartphone app in order to create a digital twin, to upload digital data and content for marketing, for certificates, for provenance, and then they sell it by simply one click through the app, by offering it on Web3 marketplaces, because they offer the digital twin. Our traction today is we have a released product. We have 20 creatives onboarded in several sectors. We made 80K revenues in the first 12 months. We have strategic cooperations with Marketplace Rarible and with Infineon, the chip developer, and we are proud finalist of the Austrian Blockchain Award 2023. Our business model is to have setup fees for the onboarding. We have a premium subscription model for providing analytics, promotions, communications from the artist to the owner of the artwork, and transaction fees, both for the first sales of the artwork or the luxury good, as well as for the secondary sales on the secondary market. From a strategy perspective, we are now working with cold calls with our network and by individual onboarding, but we are now preparing to use multipliers for our next 1,000 customers, like agencies, galleries, art managers, testimonials, fairs, and so on. But we're also thinking of, for the big selling mechanisms, to use the marketplace integration, promotion, corporations, and digital sales funnels. Our competitions are traditional art trading, which is expensive, or digital mechanisms like RFID codes, which do not include trading, and that's our USP, to combine security and online trading at low cost. We have a great team with a guy who created an online marketplace, NFT marketplace already, international sales, and even an Ethereum OG. And we are seeking for investment of 1.3 million in a seed round next year, and which will allow us to grow much faster. So thank you very much. And I think the future of ownership is OwnerChip. Thank you. Questions?
Now, I'm curious, how would you avoid someone just to peel off the chip and put it somewhere else?
Yes, there are two answers on that, or three answers maybe. One answer, there are artists like this one who really integrate the chip in the artwork, which is protected. So if you try to take it out, you will destroy the original artwork, which will destroy that way. That's one possibility. Another is we are now letting produce chips that have a very special sticker on it, a tamper-proof sticker like the Autobahn vignette. When you try to peel it off, it destroys the chip, it destroys the antenna, and you cannot use it anymore for something else. And maybe a secondary answer is, if you want to do that, if you want to fake many products, there is no business case by only faking one product. So just peeling it off from one, reducing the value of the original thing, and then having another one piece that doesn't make so much sense for fakes. You want to do it 10,000 times for fakes, and this is not possible because this chip has a very unique crypto functionality. It has a fingerprint, it has a private key mechanism on it, and this does not allow to make 10,000 chips with the same signature.
So thank you very much. So the products that this is used for are not just limited in terms of quantity. It can be rare products, but it can be also like products, let's say a handbag, whatever, with like thousands of, let's say.
Exactly. We have one product, for example, the most expensive violin, newly built violin in the world. We shipped them for 2 days ago, but we also have a limited edition of a gin bottle with 1,000 bottles at the moment. So the number of chips is not relevant.
And you mentioned a number of creatives you already have. What is meant by creative exactly?
With creative, we mean that are artists, painters. We have one creator, she creates handcrafted golden sneakers. We have one guy who creates jewelry, and he chips the etui of the jewelry, and because the jewelry tells a story. So these are different. Everybody who's an artist or somebody who creates very special handcrafted things.
Okay, thank you.
Even a distiller with gin.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Big applause.